Hello everyone, welcome back to Edge Blend. I'm George. So this week we are going to share with you guys how to make pineapple pachadi, or is called as a Madura Pachadi. Before I start, I just want to wish you everybody happy Onam. Onam is festival of harvest. Everybody in Kerala celebrate Onam. Today what I'm making, one of the side dish of that festival. So please enjoy it. Stay tuned.
So these are the ingredients for our pineapple pachadi or Madura Pachadi. So I am using half of the pineapple, which I sliced into little pieces. This will probably at least 2 to 3 cups of sliced pineapple. I have 1 whole ripe plantain, which is also cut into small pieces. 1 cup of sliced black grapes. You can also use small grapes if you can get it. If not, you can use the bigger grape and slice it into small pieces. Also 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of crushed mustard. You can buy the crushed mustard from Indian grocery stores. If you don't have it, you can crush it at home. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 3 to 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red pepper powder, salt as needed. I have 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon of whole mustard seed, 3 small green chili and 3 dried red pepper, 2 to 3 minced shallot, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a handful of curry leaf. So we are going to make a gravy. For that we need our grated coconut, 3 chilies, a teaspoon of cumin seed. And now we are going to grind this in a blender. We'll add 1 cup of water. Right, our gravy is ready. This is how it should look. This is the consistency we are looking for. So add your pineapple into the pot. Add some turmeric powder, chili powder, and then half a cup of water. You don't have to add a lot of water because pineapple itself have water in it. Add salt as needed and mix it well. I'm using clay pot, but you can use any pot. It's okay. Close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure the pineapple is cooked well. Alright, let's open the lid and see if it's cooked. Alright, so our pineapple is cooked well. Now add the sliced plantain to it. Mix it well. Add the crushed mustard seeds and our brown sugar. Mix it real good. This dish is supposed to be really sweet, that's why we are adding the brown sugar. Okay, now we're gonna close it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Alright, let's open the lid. Oh wow, look at that. Our pineapple and the plantains are well cooked. There's not a lot of water in it. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now we're gonna add our gravy, okay? Just the grated coconut, chili and cumin seed. Mix it good. Sure your flame is on low flame. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of water. Now we're gonna add our grapes. Once you add the grape, you don't have to cook it a lot. It's just give it a good mix. And now we're gonna add our plain yogurt. Stir it good. There you go. Give it a good mix. I'm gonna taste and see if you need more salt. You can add a little bit more. If not, it's good. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Alright, so this is our final step. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil gets hot, add our mustard seed. It's gonna pop, so make sure your flame is in low setting. Now we're gonna add our minced shallot. We're also gonna add our dried chili, and we wanna mix it until shallot have to turn bright brown color. Wow, it smells good. It's the coconut oil, the minced shallot, mustard seeds. It gives you an authentic smell. It's so good. We're also gonna add our curry leaves. Now we're gonna add our final ingredient. good mix. Look at that, guys. It smells so good. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I'm going to share some of the footage that we celebrate our Onam in my house. So please enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, share the video with your friends and family. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.